not for others but for yourself. You have no one to impress, and that is what Koshish is all about.
A very good morning to all the PCTians. The buzz around the campus has just begun.
Koshish is not just a college fest, it's a celebration of confidence, enthusiasm, triumph, participation, and teamwork.
But Nishtha, do you agree that the campus is experiencing such vibrant energy that it can ensure the participation of every student of the college?
I totally agree with you, Kanav. It's like a big fat Indian wedding going on in the campus.
We wish every student all the best.
Kanav, rather than just talking, why don't we show some visuals of the events going on in the campus?
Yes, why not? We dance for laughter.
We dance for tears.
We dance for madness.
We dance for fears.
We dance for hopes.
We dance for screams.
We are the dancers.
We create.
Dance, a form of expression that gives peace to the soul. When we dance, we forget all the worries of the world, and while moving with the rhythm of the music, we learn to dance and move with the rhythm of life.
Is a happy song.
When there's someone by your side to sing along.
We are standing at the Western Solo Song Junior and Senior Wing.
Music is the expression of one's soul. Foreign students in PCT have always been given equal opportunities to showcase their talent. With Indian solo singing competition, we witnessed Western solo singing, where Indian as well as foreign students participated and gave tough competition to each other. In instrumental solo, students played the chords of the music the way we played the chords of our hearts. It's all about touching your heart with those instrumental beats which let your heart. The atmosphere of the college became lively and relieving by adding designs, colors, and shapes to your life, which is the concept behind picture, rangoli, and canvas painting. Some art forms are silent, but with that silence, they add mesmerizing colors to your life that whenever you see them, you behold your heart. With the beautiful thoughts, we see everything happening around us every day, but the lens of the camera captures those beautiful details which otherwise go unnoticed and forgotten. The purpose of videography and videography competition is to collect such a buzz of the campus which can fade into the memory if not recorded and collected. In extempore, students express wonderful thoughts and they have to speak continuously for 3 minutes and bet if you won't run out of thoughts and words. This is the kind of challenge that every participant in extempore gives to the other. As Koshish is not only about entertainment and enjoyment, but it is a Koshish to enhance your confidence and your knowledge. So quiz is the best way to assess the knowledge of the students and guide them for a better understanding of various matters.
Our college has organized the Koshish event in which we have to keep trying until we succeed.
Kanav, wait a minute, I'm not able to understand anything.
Well, Nishtha, this is what JAM is all about.
I have no idea about it.
In JAM, we have to speak for just a minute in proper fluent English.
Presenting your thoughts in just a minute before somebody interrupts you, that's the challenge and the fun of this activity known as Just a Minute. The JAM session portrays all your intelligence, presence of mind, and the confidence to deal with all that happens. Business Plans is the platform that is given to students to share their unique ideas. During Koshish, PCT invited some teachers from different schools and honored them for making unique contributions in the lives of the students. Last but not the least, we reached the end of Koshish 2021 with the much awaited event where the excitement, nervousness, confidence in participants to present themselves in front of the whole college was worth watching. Yes, I'm talking about Mr. and Miss PCT, where the participants get the best platform to flaunt their style and attitude. Our correspondent spoke to one of the judges of this event.
So today we have Mrs. Aditi Sharma, one of the judge with us. She is the achiever of Mrs. India Globe 2016. So let's ask her about the event. What are her views about the event?
Thank you. I think the contest was very tough. The contestants were very good at their work, and the poise, the walk, the clothes, and the attitude, and everything was so perfect, 10 on 10, that it was so difficult for the judges to take out the winners. But as every contest has its own rules, and we need to progress further, so we have compiled the results, and the best ones have won it.
So ma'am, on what basis you think you chose the winners?
Well, I would not like to disclose on what basis, but I would definitely like to say that there is something called consistency. There's something called relatability to the contest, and of course, when it's a pageant like this, there has to be a glamour, a stage presence kind of a thing. So everything all summed up in one person, that leads you to the winning trophy, the winning pageant.
So ma'am, like you said, the competition was really tough and it was really difficult for you to judge. So ma'am, what was the last thing or anything you would like to tell to the audience or to the students of the PCT?
Well, I think there's one thing I take to my home from PCT, that the students are so much full of confidence, and they are so well versed with what they have to do and perform, that I definitely look up to that. And yes, my message would be that please keep it up and keep rocking the world. The stage is yours.
Thank you for such beautiful words, ma'am. Thank you for appreciating. As I told you in the beginning, all good things come to an end. So this was beautiful ending of Koshish 2021.
All the winners went home with their hearts entirely filled with ecstasy.
But Kanav, even the ones who were not able to win, I think it was a learning experience for them, and participation matters the most.
Yes, I totally agree. So, in the end, we wish all the participants
A
heartiest congratulations.